Good afternoon to one and all. Today we are covering the one of the important topic in engineering mechanics, that is free body diagram. In short, it is called a FBD. In engineering mechanics, 80 to 90% are numericals are depend on the free body diagram. In static, kinetic, kinematics, in truss, frictions, etc. So it is very important topic. In this lecture we will see what is meant by free body diagram, how we can draw the free body diagram. We are taking 5 to 6 examples. See now what is meant by free body diagram. It name denotes we have to free the body from the different contact surfaces, support reactions, etc. So before going for examples, we will see types of forces in the engineering mechanics now. So types of forces is divided into two categories. First category is applied force. And second category is non-applied force. Or applied force is also called as active forces, and non-applied forces called as reactive forces. Here applied forces means what? These are the forces which are seen by our naked eyes, which are acting on the body. What is meant by non-applied forces? These are the forces acting on the body which are not seen by the naked eyes. So applied forces are categorized into two parts. First one is the self weight, and second one is the support reaction. So see, types of forces. First one is applied, second one non-applied. Non-applied will be again categorized into two parts, self weight and the support reaction. So applied forces is already told you which are the external forces acting on the body which can be seen by our naked eyes. Non-applied forces are the forces which are acting on the body which are not seen by our naked eye. It includes two, first was self weight and second was the support reaction. So now see first example. Here one cylinder is placed on the surfaces. So here we have to draw the free body diagram of the sphere. So these are the few steps, 3 steps of the free body diagram, how we are going to draw the free body diagram of sphere. So see, first step is draw the body as it is. So we have to draw here free body diagram of sphere. So we have to draw here diagram of sphere. Then mount here x-axis and y-axis for our reference purpose. Then see, is there any applied force acting on the body, means which is just these forces are affect the motion of the body. So no such type of forces acting on the sphere. Then move towards the non-applied forces. Here non-applied forces means self weight, means we have to implement the self weight. Here self weight is always acting in vertically downward direction. Okay, mention this, all self weight of the body is always acting in vertically downward direction. So here we can mention here the self weight of the body denoted by W, and this sphere is in contact with this road surface. So there will be the support reaction. So free body means we have to free the body from the support reaction and the support surfaces or contacted. The sphere is contacted with the surface, then we have to remove this surface, and this remove and here replaced by the support reaction. The support reactions is always acting on the perpendicular to the surface of the body. So this is the support reaction which is acting opposite to the weight of the sphere. So simple, this is the free body diagram of the first. So move towards the second. Here one vertical wall is there, some sphere, cylindrical shaped sphere is attached, and this is tied by the thread to the vertical wall. So here also we have to draw the free body diagram of the sphere. So here again we can draw the body as it is, mount x-axis and y-axis. See, is there any applied force acting on the body? Yes, there is applied force, means there is the tension in this thread. So we have to mention here tension in the thread T, that is called the applied force, which is seen by our naked eyes. Then non-applied forces. Non-applied means self-weight. Self-weight is always acting in downward direction, that will be the W. And here vertical wall and sphere is in contact. Okay, so remove these surfaces by the support reaction. So here perpendicular to the surface, that is support reaction, means it is the angle between this is 90 degree. Support reaction is always perpendicular to the surface. Now see, come to our third diagram. Here one pulley is given, and on one side of the pulley 60 Newton block is attached, and other side will 400 Newton block is attached. So we have to draw the free body diagram of this 600 Newton and 400 Newton. So first of all, draw the block of 600 Newton. X axis mount kariye. So here, is there any applied force acting on the body? Yes, there is the tension in the thread. So we have to mention here tension in the thread. Non-applied में क्या आता है? Self weight of the body, which is acting in downward direction, is W, and there will be no support reaction. Okay. So what is the next one? 400 Newton block. 400 Newton block. X axis mount करिए, Y axis mount करिए. This is tension in the string, and self weight is also acting on the body. If this 600 Newton, we have placed this 600 Newton on the surfaces, then what will happen? One support reaction will be exerted by the support reaction against the self weight of the body. Now see, these are the three examples of free body diagram shown here. Moving towards the next example. See, in fourth example, one surface is there on which 150 Newton block is placed. Above the 15 Newton block, 10 Newton block is placed. It is similar case. On table we have placed the book, and above the book we have placed some pen stand, etc. So we have to draw the free body diagram of 10 Newton and 50 Newton block. So how? So first of all, draw the 50 Newton block as it is. X axis mount kariye, Y axis mount kariye. Is it right? So there will be no applied forces acting on the 10 and 50 Newton block. So then move towards the non-applied forces. In non-applied forces, which type of forces are included? Self weight and the support reaction. So here will be the support reaction exerted by surface. So here will be the support reaction, that is meant by R, and self weight of the block is W. Okay. So what about 10 Newton block? Draw block as it is, X axis, Y axis. That will be the 10 Newton, and this will be the support reaction exerted by block A. Okay. Such type of examples are in a body diagram. This is the procedure how we can draw the free body diagram of the various numericals. Okay. Now see, fifth one is the different one. It is the block is placed on the inclined surface. Then how we can draw here? So first of all, is there any applied force acting on the body? Answer is no. Then move towards the non-applied force, means self weight and the support reaction. Then self weight is always acting in vertically downward direction, but surface is the inclined one. So we have to draw the vertical line here, and this is the weight of the block. And support reaction, remove this surface and replace by support reaction, which is always perpendicular to the surface. And then it is moving first quadrant, so you may resolve these forces. You may resolve these forces in there. R cos of theta, R sin of theta. Okay. So it is very important topic in engine mechanics. All of you try to draw the free body diagram of various numerical as I already shared in the assignments. Thank you.